important is the investment banking expertise from Société Générale in Paris to the private clients of SGPB Hambros here in the UK?
The relationship with the investment bank, we're lucky now that the private bank and the investment bank have been reunited under a very large division called GBIS in the bank. That gives us opportunities for what we usually call synergies with this technical term. But I think it's, if we look at it very concretely, pragmatically, it's a unique opportunity for our largest client, not for all our clients, but for the largest client of the private banking side, to give them interaction. And I would say the private banking division is the bridge between those large clients who behave because of their business, because of their wealth, like quasi-institutional investors. So it's a bridge between those clients and the investment bank to widen again the areas of solutions we may provide them, and be even more exclusive in a way, even more innovative, rather than just considering those clients be fit in the one-stop small shop that we have. So it's recognizing that internally we have very large clients that needs a totally different approach and are more geared towards the investment banking, whether it is a bit M&A, they have their companies growing, or they're looking for private equity solutions, which do not necessarily fit other clients with lesser wealth.
But private banking and investment banking have often been uneasy bedfellows, with an overall boss sometimes in New York, in Geneva or in Paris saying, well, here's a private bank, a distribution channel I can sell my structured products through. Is there a danger that when they're intricately linked, that they don't always function in the best interests of the client? Because we've seen many of these initiatives, the so-called private investment banking initiatives, over the last 15 years. They haven't always been successful. Why will this one be different to the others?
What your comment is very interesting, because it's like when you're getting married, does 1 + 1 makes 1, makes 2, makes 3? We strongly believe in SG Hambros that the partnership we have with the private banking and the investment banking, it's a 1 + 1 makes 3. We are not here to simply distribute in-house product, disregard customers' interest. I mean, what I mentioned, what we have been building over 150 years in Hambros, what we've been building with our clients in SG Private Banking, we definitely wish to continue, keeping in mind that we have client first, and we're not here to just sell product. We were talking about previously about this change, the paradigm change and the environment. SG Hambros has never been in this product push or product offering. We're here to offer solution tailored to the client needs after due process of understanding, consultation, and assessment. And we're continuing in that direction. We're just widening the potential of servicing client with a lot more complex, more elaborated, or better tuned solutions coming from the investment bank when they fit the client. But we remain with our private banking, I would say, filtering and an assessment of the client needs, where our private bankers play a key role here. And they are the first one on the first line to understand what our client needs. Thereafter, internally, when you were talking about structured product, internally, I can take this example here. We have a team in the investment team of our CIOs, with the advisors, with the fund managers, with the structured product solution experts, people dedicated to bridging between the manufacturer, whether it's internal or external, and the client and the CRM, to understand exactly how we can deliver a suitable proposal to the client. Bearing in mind, you've got risk assessment, you have understanding of the client, suitability, and you got in the UK RDR. Incidentally, I mean, RDR in the UK is MiFID in Europe, so we are more or less aligned in terms of risk assessment, clarity, transparency, and the explanation provided to our client. So I'm confident that the wedding will go on very well.
Well, I'm glad to finish on that confident note. Christophe Billard, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.